Hello everyone, welcome back to Talent Battle channel. So friends, we are back with the yet another hiring opportunities for freshers. So for the candidates who are not aware about our series of off-campus hiring update, then we have just started a series of off-campus hiring update for freshers. So this is our day 3 for the series of off-campus jobs. So let's see our latest hiring for the day 3 for our series. First hiring is from Oracle, where they are hiring for their internship opportunity for Bangalore, Hyderabad and Pune location. So the candidates who are currently in their final or pre-final year with any branches can apply for this internship opportunity, and they haven't mentioned about any percentage criteria or any specific branches. So all candidates can apply for this internship opportunity. And one point I want to highlight, which is not mentioned in their page, where there is a possibility where you can convert your internship to full-time opportunity. If you perform good and consistent during your entire internship duration, then you can also convert your offer to full-time. And as it is a product-based company, you will be getting a good perks. Our second hiring is from HP, where they are hiring engineering graduate for their full-time role. Initially, this role will be a remote where you will be working from home. To apply for this hiring, candidates should be having bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or IT with 0 to 2 years of experience. So the candidates who have just passed or the candidates who are in their final year of their degree can also apply for this hiring, where you should be having good problem solving skills with a basic knowledge in software systems, its testing and coding part also. So if you meet the criteria, then must apply for this job. Next hiring is from DSAW, where they are hiring software developer for their Hyderabad, Bangalore and Gurgaon location. Any candidates who are freshers or experienced can apply for this hiring, where you should be having experience in C++, Java and Python with the knowledge in various technologies in React, web services or any databases. And apart from this technology, if you are having any other internship experience or any project experience in Spring, jQuery or JavaScript, then it will be an advantage for this role. Also, you should be having good problem solving skills. So friends, these were the 3 hiring opportunities from Oracle, HP and DSAW. So all the 3 hiring updates are for freshers. So you must apply for all these jobs. And if you haven't watched our day 1 and day 2 series of our video, then also watch. And if you are interested, then must apply for these jobs. And if you face any difficulties while filling up the form or any other queries, then do comment down below. And if you want me to make a specific video related to any topic or any specific hiring opportunity, then also you can comment down below. So friends, consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus hiring opportunities, as we have started the series of off-campus hiring updates for freshers. So we will meet in the next hiring update. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.